Okay everyone, you are welcome to this 13th lesson, 13th video. Now let's look at the next item on the modifying bar. Break at point. Break at point. Let's use this particular object. This is a block, don't forget, and we can't actually use block, so we are going to explode this block. Select it and explode to turn it to single object. Now we want to work on this one. You see, it's a single one now, so choose on break at point. Select the object. This is the object. Now choose the points that we need to break at point. So if we look at this, it's coming up that the object snap. We don't need the object snap because it means anywhere that object snap is appearing is the place what we want to do will take effect, and we don't want it to be at any angle. We want to break at this middle, so object snap should be off for me to get this accurately. So zoom enough for you to see. Now click on this point. That is it. So look at this place. You see the object is separated. I've break the two lines. I've break the two lines. So that is what we mean by break at point. Break at point. And see, let's exit. Okay, escape. See the second, escape. So don't worry, for you to be sure, let's move it out. You see, I've moved it out. So let's proceed. So let's move to the second one. Now look at this. Let us use the one. This one says break. So break is just match it. Select the object and select where you want to smash. Wow. You see, broken into two different objects. That's in broke. Let's try something else. Let's try another one. See, yeah, break, select objects, choose a particular point. Wow. Do you see now? So you have break it. Anyway, if you're going to need this, you definitely find a place that is necessary that you can use it. But just for you to know that whatever inspiration you have, there is something that can handle it for you in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is wide and sweet, believe me. So let's proceed. Now this one says join. This one is join. Let's see what join is going to do to us. Join. Now say okay, select source object. Let's join lines. At least we deal with lines in AutoCAD. Second, just select line to join to source. This. Now right click. Oh, it has become one object again. Now let's do it once again. See this one. Say okay. Join. Source. Select. Right click. That's join. So let's move it back. Oh, is it break? Okay. Let's move it back. Where's our object snap on? Fine, because we need accuracy now to join it back again. So now let's perform that. Join again. Okay, join. Select, right click. You see? So that's it on that. Okay, let's quickly see what chamfer, all these two objects do for us. Chamfer and fillet. So see chamfer, let's apply it to say select first line and select the second line. You see that you didn't get the message there. Let me back. Okay, use again chamfer, select the first object, select the second object. What happened there? It automatically trim the two edges, and if they are not if there is a gap, it must have joined it together right now. So So let's say the fillet tool, fillet, select the first object, select the second object. It also trimmed it. So that is the work. Then don't forget, I've told you about explode before. So if you have, see, let's see this one now, explode, select it and click on explode. See, it has come to each line. You get the point. Let's move this one out. Let's see, it's because it has been exploded. So that is the work. That is the work. That is the work. So you can get to things like this, and let's assume these gradients, this gradient has come above the boundary. It will be an issue if, assuming you want to bold the lines. It's not, there are lines. Okay, let me just escape these boundary lines. They are just selected. If this gradient is above it, you won't be able to modify them. See, let me underline it. The line width is on. So let's assume I want it to be, okay, sorry, I want it to be as this 53 mm thick. So this is what I mean. If this gradient is overlapping the line, I won't be able to select the line. Are you getting it? So let's do something. Let's send the line to the back. Let's send it to the back. So, and I wanted to select the line again. I've sent it to the back. How will I click on the line? It will be very impossible to click on the line now because it has been at the back. But if I now send this one to at the back, send it to the back, I will now find my line back. So these are the function of this drawing order, object order buttons. That is the function. So with that is all for the introduction of all this workspace and the tools that you can find right here. So use the pan, once again, pan to move just like you are dragging the whole page, and use this zoom real-time to move your, just use your mouse button down, no, the wheel on the mouse, or up to zoom, and you can use this one. You can just use it like you are cropping the space you want to view. You get it now, and this one can go back. So that is, and what's the name? It's zoom previous, zoom window, zoom real-time, and pan. Please note that. That's all. So we have come to the end of module 2. So module 3, we are going to be working on a project. Let's get a drawing. Get your own drawing too. You can use your drawing, and if you are going to do that, it's either we use a live webinar, or I'll just record one and send it to you if you are not ready with the system. Best of luck.